Yes, bitch. This is starting the vlog and I get you dancing. Hey guys, welcome to Vlogmas Day 4. Dallas just got me my birthday present a month late, but because she was in
birthday present from Pig.
Yeah, she got me Peppa Pig. Yeah. Yeah, she got me this Frank body scrub and body balm. Yeah, because she was overseas. I totally forgot. But yeah, she got it for me. I'm about to go to the beach in half an hour when Catherine gets home. And we're gonna go to the beach. Okay, see you then. Alright guys, advent calendar time. And apparently Dallas hates Peppa Pig. How dare she? Oh, you're out of focus.
Peppa Pig is not a very good show.
It's fucking awesome.
It's very boring. I don't like it.
You're a hater anyway. Day 4, let's go. I'm hungry. Let's draw a Christmas picture. How about no? Because I'm very bad at drawing. Louis, it's all broken.
Not my fault. I didn't do anything.
Grrr.
Can I have scissors?
Oh wait, I'm trying to get my chocolate out.
Oh, no, it's fine.
Like,
Animal Place at the
broke again.
show that we went.
So delicious! Yay! Kimberly. Oh my god. It's Catherine.
That's how you know you're a teacher.
Kimberly, Catherine. And we are at the beach. I am right now. Oh. We're at Cronulla. And we are for a swim. I feel so gross right now. Now we're just drying off. This beach trying to get attention. Number 1 fan. Go, who's my number 1 fan?
China. He isn't even Chinese.
You're so dumb. Literally, you're so dumb. You are Chinese, aren't you?
No, I'm not.
She is.
Indonesian and...
But you're white.
I'm yellow. She's yellow.
I'm yellow.
I'm the only one that's black, medium white.
Yes, true. Wow, I'm so black. Holy shoot. I look so black. You can't even see me. Okay then. What are we gonna eat, guys? Chips. You don't even like fish.
Me.
No, I don't want meat.
I want a bird.
Pigeon, go away right now. I swear to God. I hate birds.
Me too.
Oh. Mannequin challenge, ready? 1, 2, 3.
You know what? Alright, I'm gonna get a coin out. Heads, it's dry. Tails, we walk.
Okay.
Alright, we're going to 20 seconds. What did I say? Heads is dry, tails, we walk. Heads is dry, tails, we walk, okay? What the fuck was that? Oh, tails.
So you want to try? Why did you say that? Stay down.
Let's do it again. You read it, you read it. Right. Heads we dry, tails.
Ow! It's a walk.
Oh, look, heads. We got heads.
So let's try. What are you doing? You're so dumb. You keep changing.
Tried to make a decision, but we didn't want to walk. So all the point that we just said drive.
Okay, we're driving. Fuck. So dumb. Both of you, so dumb. Hey guys, I'm back home now. We also had some pepper squid, but I didn't film that because I was eating it while I was driving, which is legal, but I did it anyway. It's like almost 8 o'clock, 2 to 8, and I have to go pick up my family soon. Oh, I'm so tired. I just want to go to sleep. And Mark's on his way home. I think he's gonna get here in like 2-3 hours or something. I don't know. I'm so black. That is all. Just wanted to update you guys. My throat is dry.
Ding dong dong